how to cast off purlwise for ribbing. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. Casting off purlwise allows you to cast off in pattern in stitch patterns like rib stitches. To begin your rib stitch edge in pattern, you'll first want to cast on purlwise, which was my most recent video, so please check that one out as well. The knitting swatch we'll use as our sample is the 2x2 rib. So that has 2 knits, 2 purls, 2 knits, and 2 purls, and we're going to cast that off in pattern together. This is the right-handed version. If you're looking for the left, I'll have a link for you down below. And to help you see our working yarn while we are casting off, I'm going to switch from blue to white. For the 2 knit stitches, that is just the basic cast off that you are already used to. And it is knitting those first 2 stitches because they are both knit stitches, and then taking the tip of your needle, that first stitch goes over the second, and my yarn is a little bit loose here because I just added it on, and we have 1 cast off stitch. Now the next one is a purl. So this is how we cast off purlwise. Begin by bringing your yarn to the front because we are going to purl the purl stitch. Super easy, right? So we just purl that stitch, and then we're going to take the tip of our needle and bring it up and over exactly the same way that you've been doing by casting off knitwise. Again, we have another purl stitch right here, so we're going to purl it. And then we're going to take the tip of our needle and take it up and over. Oh, and the yarn, the working yarn, it doesn't matter if it's in the front or the back when you are casting off that first stitch over the second. And let's do it together again. So that is a knit stitch. So we are going to knit into that stitch with the yarn in the back, of course. Take that white working yarn, knitting it, and we simply bring that yarn over, passing it over, knitting again, passing it over to cast it off. And let's finish up with those 2 purl stitches in this 2x2 rib stitch pattern. We're purling because it's a purl stitch, and then we're just passing that stitch over. And one more time, we're going to purl the purl stitch, take the tip of our needle. Again, it does not matter where your working yarn is at this point. It will not get in the way if it's in the front or the back. And continue casting off in pattern for your rib stitch. In the finished sample, in the blue yarn, you can see how the cast off edge follows the texture pattern of 2x2 rib. And this is stretchy, both casting on and casting off, gives you a nice flexible stretchy edge. It's great for the cuffs of maybe a sleeve or a neck that you would like to really have those rib patterns show. And if this video has been helpful to you, please like it up. It really helps me out. And please subscribe to Studio Knit so you never miss a video. I have an entire collection of cast on and cast off techniques for you that are really helpful, and I will see you here next time. Bye!